Free $100 just for moving your money? Here's the catch nobody tells you. Before you roll your eyes and assume this is another too-good-to-be-true scheme, let me break down what M1 Finance actually requires for this bonus. And trust me, I was just as skeptical as you probably are right now. Make sure to click the link in the description to get your $100. Here's the real deal. M1 Finance is a legitimate robo-advisor that's been around since 2015, with over 1 million users and billions in assets. To get that $100, you need to transfer at least $1,000 from another brokerage and keep it there for 90 days. That's it. No hidden fees, no surprise charges. They make money from payment for order flow, not from tricking you. What makes this actually worth it? Their PIES system automatically rebalances your portfolio. They offer fractional shares and zero trading commissions. It's like having a financial advisor who never sleeps and never charges you extra. So, if you're already investing somewhere else and paying fees, this might actually save you money while giving you $100. Click that link below to claim your bonus before this offer disappears.